Hello, my name is Lieutenant Colonel retired Larry Burks, and I'm the director for the Military and Veterans Services Center here at Wichita State University. Right now you're in our Veterans Center. It's named for Captain Riley Pitts, who was a decorated Vietnam War veteran who got the Medal of Honor. So our center is named in his honor. So the area I want to just kind of walk you through is the entire facility so you can see just what our student veterans have available for their use while they're here. This is basically our lounging area, and we have study areas for them. They can come at any time that they wish to study with groups, or just come in and just kind of relax and just do some things as they go from one class to the other. We also have an area where we have computers. Students can come in here and use this computer center, and we have copy machines for them to use for their classes and all the things that they need for that use. So those services are available free for our student veterans. That's why we have this center. We also have a lot of study rooms that are here, small group study rooms that they can use to study projects and do things in preparation for their classes, or our student veteran groups that come that are part of this organization as well. They can use that to study and do their planning and coordination for the things that they do with the center. We also have a recreational area for them as well. So we have a pool table here that again students can kind of come in and just relax and just enjoy. This was donated by the late President Bardo's estate for us. The Bardos were a very strong advocate and continue to be a very strong advocate for our center and for the student veterans, because they understand the importance of what they do and the contribution that they make to our university, and we're very appreciative of them. So we have all the pomp and circumstance here for the center, because we are in fact a service center that looks out for the needs of our veterans and to help them process their paperwork as they use a GI Bill. So at this time, I want to hand you off to our certifying official, Mr. Sam Jones, who will explain to you the process of how that's done in our center for our student veterans.
So one of the most important things that a student should do before coming to Wichita State is make sure that they file for their VA education benefits, and that's done at va.gov. You go on there, fill out the application, the VA will send you a certificate of eligibility, and that's kind of the first step in the process. After that's completed, we have a couple of forms in-house, such as intent to enroll and enrollment certification requests that we'll need to process the rest of the education. If you have any questions or need additional information, just go to our website, wichita.edu/veterans, or feel free to come by our office, visit us, and we just thank you for visiting us, and as always, it's a great day to be a shocker.